Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So we are going to export an Excel sheet. So you can open your Excel workbook, just a new one, and we're gonna open, you can just open the file that we need to open, which is 8.46 USA addresses. And all we have to do is you just say export. You can change the type of file over here, so you can decide what it is you want to export it as. You can also just say save as, browse, and instead of saving it as a .xls, you can see what it is we need to save it as. So let's just see, they want it as a CSV. So let's look for CSV. So there's different types of CSVs. Just look for the comma delimited one. And let's put it in a folder where we won't lose it. So I'll just put it over here as Excel exports. And so just keep the name as is. Save. Okay. Let me say save as, browse. Okay, the next one we should do is a text file. So text file. There's a lot of text files, but just .txt is fine. Let's say save. File, save as, browse. Let's see, what's the next one we should save it as? It should be a PDF. I think we have some experience with that. PDF, says save. Okay, it prints it like that. And then the other one is ODS, or an open document spreadsheet. So save as, browse, ODS, right over there, save. Yes. File, save as, browse. The next option is a web page, so HTML. It should be web. You should see HTML there, web page. If you don't see the extensions over here, it's also just a good idea to learn what all these different words mean. So kind of cover with your finger what is inside of those brackets over there, just so that you know what type of file extensions you are working with. Sometimes it just helps to, and then just put an L there. Doesn't really matter that much, but I just like having the L there. And then you just say save, yes, and then save as, browse. And the next one is, oh, that's all. Okay, that's all we have to do. So view the files that you have exported the data to, and note how the data has been stored. Okay, so we go to documents, I go to students, I go to Jean-Claude, I go to Excel exports. So we have the CSV one, which will open automatically as a CSV file looking like this, but you can also open the CSV file with Notepad, and then you'll see it's all the information. It's just separated with commas over there. So it's separated values. Then we have the HTML, so it just opens it in a web address, so you can see everything that you made is now on an actual web address. So if I didn't have it's opening with Edge. I'm ashamed of using Microsoft Edge for this, but I haven't had time to update anything on my computer for Chrome. But it opens with this, so it's working. And what was the other one? Did I close the file just now? Let me just open that file again. Students, Claude, Excel. Okay, and the other one is open software, so open office software. So I already have Excel, so it's gonna open in this, but it changes the format a little bit, like only the spacing, and so it's not too major, so it should be the same. PDF you have seen before, so it's easier for me to mark, but yeah, saving it as a PDF isn't ideal doing it like that. My ideal as a PDF would be to print it as a PDF, because here you can actually change a lot of the settings so that it actually fits on everything. But yeah, so you can just open all of these files. I have already done most of it now. Windows default, let me say yes. So text files is usually better to open this with Notepad, so you can still see everything over here. And that is that. Then you can just upload all of those files these are my files. Did I close that again? I did. But those were my files. I'll just open it one more time. Documents, students, Jean-Claude. There we go. So these are my files. So you can just upload all of them. There's just 5 selected, and the other one for the actual assignment would be for exercise 8.39. So just make sure you follow all of these instructions, and then you'll be fine. Awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day.